Can you hear me, guys? So I'll just go straight to the class now. Hopefully, I get a response from you guys. If you can hear me, let me see a one in the chat if you can hear me. Thank you. So I'll just go straight to what I have to say in this class because I've been sick for a couple of days now. You know, I've been sick. I just finished receiving treatment yesterday. That's why you notice I didn't post anything on the group because I didn't even trade. I can't trade in this kind of health, you know. So I won't really okay, to mute everyone, thank you. I won't really say much because of my health, but you know, I'll drop some important value. So about what I'm looking at, I was able to open the chart today and I saw some movements. Let's start with the dollar index, which is the DXY. So DXY had this strong bullish push to the upside and today. And what I think about that movement, if you ask me, I'll look at it like this is short-term buy coming up on the dollar index. But that's if I'm going to explain to you guys how I'm looking at the market now. I'm looking at this dollar market on the daily time frame, weekly time frame on the DXY. This is how I'm looking at it. Like I'm seeing this as a correction. You know, I'm seeing this movement as if it is a corrective movement. I'm just, guys, give me a second. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Hope you guys can still hear me. Okay, so I'm seeing this movement as a corrective movement for a further continuation to the downside. Most likely, we are going to take out this monthly low, you know, if price tends to continue to the downside because, you know, it's looking more like a correction, obviously on weekly time frame, strong impulse, correction for a continuation. Okay, and then daily time frame. Daily time frame, one to touch, and then breakouts. So that's looking like a breakout already to continue to drop. But then pay attention to all of these wicks. So wicks leave clue. So that's why I'm staying neutral with dollar index. And when I say I'm staying neutral with the dollar index means I'm looking for both buys or sells, you know, any opportunity that presents itself. That's what I'm looking to take. So for now, I don't really have anything in mind, but following momentum, you know, because we trade momentum, looking at this time frame, 2 hour time frame, you can see how price gave us a reversal pattern coming down weekly, week candles, and then we had a strong push up. So if we can stay on this, you know, we don't get what we want all the time in this market. Matter of fact, we can't even say, oh, this is what we want. And then we get that. We have to trade what we see, not what we know. So because of what we see, we had a strong push to the upside today. breaking out of this reversal pattern right here. So if price tend to correct, I'll be looking at 2-hour 20 MA rejection though, but then we have to pay attention to that of 1 hour. Always my 20 MA. Hold on. So if we get that correction, because we had strong push up, price is correcting already. If we get that nice bullish flag, then I'll take the buy, possibly to this high. I'll be looking to take profit at 618 using the 4-hour time frame structure. So I'll be looking for something like this. So that's exactly that my zone. That's where I'll be looking to take profits and then to see what's going to happen next. So trading, looking for buy setup based off momentum. Because we are following momentum, we'll be looking for buy setup. Whichever it is, I'll be updating you guys. So we'll be looking for a flag, continue to buy. The station order will get strong impulse down, then we'll be looking for a bear flag. So say that way, okay, Euro USD. My chart, most of my charts, you're going to see they are empty because of my health now, I don't really have that strength to mark up, but I just have to host this webinar for you guys. So it's just the same thing, keeping it simple. We had this strong push down, on 1 hour time frame, 1-2 candles, and I told you guys 2 candles is enough. Those candles are looking very, very strong. So if we start to correct, then let's see what's going to happen if we're going to get the 618 movement. But most importantly, we are looking for a flag. So when we correct to the upside, then we are looking to sell. Okay, take profit 618 level on higher time frame, just like what we did on the daily time frame. But that will determine the momentum. When we get there will determine what will happen, if we're going to still go down or if we're going to reject. So just for you to keep that in mind. Euro JPY, man, this guy have been bullish. I'll tell you guys one thing. I want to tell you guys, and then I'll be sharing as 100 secret with you guys that I discovered. And then I want to know if you guys are on the chat before I say this. Now, this is very important. I'll show you guys something. And for you guys that keep sharing my videos, this is for NF9 members only. I keep telling you guys. Let me know in the chat if you are there with me, so I'll tell you guys what it is. Stop sharing my videos, guys. Like, I can easily open a website, and on the website, I'll be collecting monthly subscription for anybody that wants to remain in the team. Yeah, I can do that, but it's not my thing. I'm not really interested in that. I think this is enough, in as much as every one of you can access this in NF9. But because it is open, some people still find a way to give it out, which is not making sense. It's a paid group. So stop doing that, guys. It's for NF9 members alone. I keep saying that. Okay, nice. I see on the chat some of you said you're here. So now I want to show you guys something on daily time frame. It doesn't really happen all the time, but this is something you have to pay attention to. Now, if you're on this call, pay attention to this is a candle. Let's say this is a bearish candle, and it's a daily candle, and this is I'm stressing myself to talk because of my health now. And I was thinking if I can do this, I want to explain this. I don't want to rush it. I'll explain it on a video and then I'll post it for our group. I wanted to do it now, but I'm stressing myself. Like, we still have a long way to go on this call. I'll make a video of it and then I'll post it for you guys when I'm feeling better. Okay. So EuroJPY daily, we are still having strong momentums that this guy is not ready. This candle is closing in 47 minutes time. We are still looking for buys, guys. We are still looking for buys. I wish I could explain why I wanted to. I'll do that some other time. We are still looking for buys, like buys. Nothing much for me to mark up for you guys here. You know, because this is a clear uptrend, and I'm waiting for rejection of the 20 EMA. And that's exactly what I've been waiting for. You know, this one almost got to 20 EMA, but it didn't, so I didn't execute any trade. So I'd love to see rejection on 20 EMA to take a buy, you know. But we need to pay attention to structure, because the moment we break out of this, from this structure impulsively, then there's a reversal, we get correction. You know, we continue. Sorry, I can't do a top-down analysis, but at least I know what it is and following momentum, basically. Hope you guys caught this. I didn't open my chart at all today, but this is what I've been pushing for you guys. You know, impulse that we broke out of the structure, impulse we broke out of the structure, wait for correction to 20 EMA, pin bar. You know, I told you guys on 20 EMA, personally, I take twinsers and engulfings and then pin bars. So this is so fucking perfect, guys. Sorry I had to use that word, but guys, this thing is very easy. I don't know what to say. And then stop loss below, you can do 25 pips if you want to, below the candle, right there. It's more like this. Stop loss here. Then you can decide to take profit at this next high right here. If you want to. That's the next structure right there. Simply. From CP, 39 pips, almost 40 pips. That's good. Then for when price went to, that's about 60 pips, guys. So that's a lot for just to have patience and wait for 20 EMA rejection. So this one is gone now. If you want to execute any trade here, it has to be the same thing. I hope Mohammed is on this call, because I think you've been getting the whole trading thing wrong. Sometimes you can make profit luckily, and you know, when you are doing something that you're not consistent in doing. That's why I always advise you guys to be consistent with your strategy. You don't have to trade like me to make money, but you can follow my trading style, you know, do whatever you want to do. Well, I assure you, if you stick to this strategy and be consistent with it, you're gonna make profit. You guys notice, like, am I the only forex mentor that you know that don't trade all the time? Sometimes you see me 2 trades a week, 3 trades a week. I don't remember the last time I took 5 trades in a week. I can't remember. Like, I might, but I honestly can't remember. Less is more, guys, and this is what I do for a living. This is what I feed myself with and my family. You get me? So Mohammed joined us. Though Mohammed have been trading for a while, you know, like for a while now. So he joined our team a couple of, and during he took advantage of the Christmas discount here. But he's been trading for a while before he joined us. But he's getting the whole thing wrong. Like, he seems to execute trade every like five trades in a day, 10 trades in a day. Like, it's not like that. I have all of this right here, and I might tick some like 5. Let's say I tick 4, and this 4 on my watch list means I have a setup on this 4. Doesn't mean I'll take this 4. You guys know what I normally do. I look for the best one, like which one is the best out of them. Yes, I have a setup that's telling me the 3 of them or the 4 of them are going for a buy. Doesn't mean I'll press buy on the 4 of them. I have to select like On this four, which one is giving me like something I've seen before, a type of trade I've executed before, something like this in that four. I want to pick the best two. So on that best two, I want to pick the best one that will give me what I want. If not 100% of what I want, we don't get 100%, but at least 80% of what I want. So if the other one is giving me 60%, no, are you going to choose 60% over 80%? Come on, we'll choose the highest percent always. So this is how I get to execute trade. And I think once I make money, that's enough. Like, I don't come back to the market all the time. Like, I need more money, because I'm trying to trade the way I learn how to trade. I had mentors while I was learning, and that's the same style they trade. Your most traders that I know on Instagram, I swear, they don't really trade that much. So it all comes down to your plan and all, okay? You can see there was no entry around here, though we had some 20 MA rejection, but that was not clear enough because we didn't get that impulse. You can see there was a 20 MA rejection right there. Those are entries, but it's not a high probability trade setup, so I can't take them. So I didn't take any of these trades, but assuming I was trading today, because of my health, I couldn't trade. But assuming I was in the market, I would have taken this. You can see I didn't take any of this because the signal was not clear. Now see what would have made me take this. This is what would have made me take this particular trade if I was on the charts today. Because we had a strong impulse. We broke out of a structure, and then we corrected back to 20 and the lovely pin bar projection. And easy for me, because I don't use take profits. I close when I'm satisfied with profit. I would have made like, let's say 40 pips at least. 40 pips is not bad. But I didn't make any pips from this whole 70 pips movement. But I took 40 pips from this movement. So let's say from this first entry here to where price is 120 pips. So I took let's say 50 pips from it, or 40 pips. That's enough for me. Okay? This market doesn't belong to any of us. Sometimes we feel like we need to take everything. Take what you can and leave. That's what's up. Enjoy your money. Do what you want to do with your money. Okay? I'm trading Forex because I want to enjoy my life. That's the major reason why I'm trading Forex. And anytime I make money from Forex, I'm trying as much as I can to enjoy my life. Here's the CHF. Forex is going to work for you if you believe in yourself. If you believe it will work, it's going to work for you. I want you to understand that it's going to take time. I want you to understand that you don't have to rush it. It's none of your business how long it's going to take. When it's going to take you to start making profit. You have to focus on the process. Okay? Remember this trade I called. I posted this on our group, still there. Same thing. Easy. Okay? And as I'm doing this webinar, I'm watching football, since Paris Saint-Germain is winning Barcelona 2-1. This Mbappe is a beast. I'm sorry, I had to say that. Wow. So same thing I'm expecting on the dollar index. USD CHF moves together with the dollar index. Same direction. You can see same movement, same everything. So why Euro USD do vice versa? Every SSS USD does vice versa. So same thing. Impulse within correction for a continuation. But what did I say? It's short term because of the dollar index is still bearish. Okay? So we'll see about that. I'll keep you guys updated. USD card, same thing. Okay? It's short term because you might see that, oh, this might reject from 618 right here, post correction, then drop. So you don't know. That is just one thing, one strategy. We have another strategy that we can bank on. That's if we get a flag because it's already correcting, but it's not have not completed yet. So once it's complete, it's a flag. Then continuation to the upside. So I hope you guys are following. You just have to wait for it. Sometimes you see that, oh, this thing might create a flag, and I won't execute the trade. Why? Because I don't like the flag. Okay, if you watch my videos, you understand the kind of flags that I love to take. The ones that reject from 20 MA, yes, the one that give us one rejection, pay attention. If it's a bearish flag, one rejection, right there. Then second rejection, pay attention. Second rejection should be what? I want to see on the chart. Let me know if you guys are really watching the video. And I assure you guys, if I didn't get an answer of what's going to happen to the second rejection, I'm going to end this Zoom call. So you guys just have to go back to watch all the videos. Okay, so I'm on the chart now to see who's going to explain to me about how that perfect flag is. The NF9 perfect flag that I would love to take. I'm looking at the chart and I'm giving you guys 2 minutes. Once it's 2 minutes, nobody, I'm ending the call. And that's the end of live webinar. For now, can you guys hear me? Are you guys on this call though? Because I see a lot of messages on my WhatsApp like, hello boss, hello boss. If you are on this call, please say yes, put one on chat at least. Let me know if you guys are still with me or if my internet off. I'm seeing a lot of hello from NF9 students. Okay, thank you on WhatsApp. Thank you. 2 rejection flag with a breakout. No. My question is, I'm saying this again. What am I expecting from the second rejection? Can someone explain how the second rejection is supposed to look like? We're doing this for a bearish flag. It's a bearish flag. We have an impulse rejection. That's my first rejection. So what are we expecting for the second rejection to confirm our flag? If you guys don't know, 2 minutes, I'm ending this call. I'll be disappointed. Like, do I understand that? Yes, we have some new old NF9 students are supposed to know. But I'm just joining. Can you repeat the question? Yeah, I just did now. Second rejection will be a higher low. God bless you. God bless you. To see a candlestick rejection pattern on. That's it. The second rejection has to be higher than this first rejection. I keep saying this on all previous webinars. This is how we confirm a flag. It has to be, you can see. Now I can easily draw my trend line and say, yes, this is a flag. You see, I have that 2 correction. The second rejection is higher than this first one. That is when we confirm that, yes, this thing is now looking like a flag. We usually set order. 3-1, Jesus. Barcelona is in soup. Low than the first. Yeah, perfect. So that's the answer, guys. So now we have a flag and then we are looking for a breakout for this guy to continue to sell. Is it difficult trade? So I'll give you guys some example. We are looking at USD card. USD card is really messy. So let's see this. You can see this is the perfect one. Let me go to 1 hour so you see it clearly. Perfect. Look at this. This is perfect. One rejection, second rejection. We had a breakout. Bye bye. Let's cool. Let's see flag. Yeah, we have flags. So you can use week to week also if you are looking for rejections of flag. What do we have? We had flag today. Uh, where's the CHF? So all these are like flat flag. This is a nice flag also, 2 hours flag. First rejection, second rejection. That's it. Impulse, first rejection, second rejection, breakout. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, you see all of those flags and how they rejected right there on 15 minutes time frame. So market is moving sideways here. So market is moving sideways, sideways. You know, we are not really trending. I didn't really get to see a perfect one again, but that is how we get to know our perfect setup when it comes to trading flags. So that's what I'm expecting from all of these guys. USD Mexican, this setup is looking so sweet. I'll be looking at this one to see if we're going to get that nice flag tomorrow. This is a lovely impulse we broke out of the structure. Remember, structure. So we're going to correct. I'll be looking at that one. USD is the same thing. I love this one because it respects the 20 EMA on 2 hours a lot. So it respects 20 MA on 2 hours. You know, if you go back to previous chart, to get to see, go back to back test. That's why I love USD. I've not been trading it, but I've been observing because I like to take my time before I trade any pair. Like I took Euro SDD last week. That was a big mistake. That pair is not really my pair. It just gave me a setup that I would like to take. That's why I took that particular trade. So this one, let's wait for that 2 hours flag. So 20 MA and we continue to buy. GU pushed up today, came down, not really doing much, but are we looking for a further push to the upside? This is a corrective phase right here, just like this. So I'm looking for a continuation to the upside, whichever way is, but it's not clear. This is Euro GDP, guys. See today. I hope you saw this one. I didn't see it. I saw it this evening while I was listing out pairs I'll be looking at for tomorrow. 20 pips, 24 pips profit. So that's what's up. NU. I'm looking to buy NU because of we had 20 EMA rejection, but I'll wait for a breakout of this flag forming now. So if you get that breakout, NJ, sorry, this is NJ. You know, I'll be looking to execute that one. But having in mind, this is not our perfect. You know, we have currency pairs. I've listed them for you guys that our setup works very well on. But this is something we can take 20 pips risk on after the breakout or so, you know, to see how it goes. NU, and I saw this setup on NU. You know, we have a structure here, price broke, retested, 20 MA rejection right there. But I didn't execute that trade because of the timing. It happened by this time. That's why I didn't take it. But that trade later gave us about 40 pips, you know, with a drawdown of 7 pips. Stop loss is going to be below the structure, 17 pips. So I didn't take that one. Missed out on that one here. Gold. This is this is the simplest. I marked this up on Monday. This is a very simple setup, but I didn't see it until today. This what was this called again? This is a reversal. This is a continuation pattern, and checking on that other time frame, your gold is on the downtrend, obviously. Downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, and then we are having that reversal pattern. You would have just take it after the breakout. Perfect candle breakout, boom. This would have been my trade of the week, but it is what it is. US oil breaking out. Initially, I was going to take this flag, but we have a zone right there, price already close to, so I'll just ignore it. But this is a perfect bullish flag for me. But personally, I'll just ignore it. You know, Bitcoin, looking at this base of investment. And what I wanted to share with you guys about NAS 100, I said we are going to buy NAS 100. And this is the important part of today's webinar that I wanted to share with you guys. We're going to buy NAS 100 and hold NAS 100 till December. I don't know who's ready to do this. If you have an extra $500, $1,000, that's you don't have plans for, you can participate in this. Let me know on the chat what you guys think about that. This is just open a separate account for your NAS 100. That's what you're going to do. Open a separate account for NAS 100 only, and we're going to buy it and hold till December. It's a long term. So, this is more like we're going to win or we're going to lose. But I believe in this, and I'm going to give you guys my reason. But first, I would like to see on the chat if you guys are with me on this one. Then I'll show you guys my reason why I think we should invest in NAS 100. So looking at the charts to know who is with me. This is a long-term investment. If you have money, extra money somewhere, you can do this. So the call is ending in 7 minutes time. Or you guys are not interested, let me go take my thing and keep to myself. Okay, so NAS 100, this is the chart. And I'll show you guys something on the daily chart. This is the same thing, the same way we've been trading, I will take you guys back in time. This guy has been trading up for long. I did a video. I don't know if any of my old NF9 members on this call, but I did a video for my members. And I was still living in Ikorodu then. I was in Ikorodu then, but I've been making money from trading, but I was living low key then. So I said, guys, we are going to invest in NAS 100. Same thing I'm about to share with you guys. Correction on higher time for go long by investment. Yeah, same thing I'm going to share with you guys what I shared with them. I said, guys, this guy is doing like this. Let's buy this guy. Nobody took my advice. Nobody. Because as at that point, NAS dropped a lot. And I was like, yes, in order to go up, we have to come down very well, because I was seeing like the future. So I was not even seeing a small movement. I was seeing big movements. So in order to achieve that, we have to come down. So when it was coming down, some people were saying, naked was wrong. And I don't even have to argue with anybody or say anything, because I know what it is. I just have to do my thing, So as at that point, I put my money elsewhere. I didn't put my money into NAS. I invested in something then with my money, so I didn't take advantage of that, but I knew it was going to happen. But we are here again, and this time around, I'm ready to take the advantage this time. And I don't want to take this step alone. I want to take this step with you guys. So that's why I have to share with you guys. So looking at NAS 100, this is a daily time frame though. And this is on, let's start from here. So let's start from here. So this is on November 2016. And this is a daily time frame. And what we have on this chart is our, let me see. I'm interested. Okay, this is our 20 EMA only. We don't have to do any analysis. We don't have to do any markup, just 20 EMA. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to any time NAS 100 give rejection on 20 EMA starting from here. Swing, ZAS, pin bars, engulfings. price shoots up. Right there, you can see one, right time to invest, right time to invest, okay? This is not something you want to place and put a stop loss on. You want to buy and hold. Like we are ready to take that risk. It's a long-term investment. Either we win or we lose, but I'm very optimistic about the results. So that's why, yeah, I posted about it. No one listened to me. Yes, exactly. Temitope, I guess you have been following me. There was one South African group I was in. I posted about it on that South African group about NAS 100, but nobody took me serious. And because nobody took me serious, I left that group. That's time. Like I left the group. Can't even remember the group. I had to leave that group because they didn't take me serious. I mean, when I'm talking, I know what I'm saying. So see NAS 100 again, alpha, 20 MA rejection, boom. Time to invest. You can see how many pips this guy went up. Calculate it yourself. You see, NAS 100 broke out of 20 MA, came down. Okay, well, it's not a good time to invest. So we'll wait for 20 MA rejection. When price pierce, not just touching 20 MA, we have to pierce through and then come back in. Okay, so it was doing its thing. Perfect entry again. Right time to invest. Boom. After this daily candle, the next 2 days, boom, mad ass movement to the upside. We need what? Twinsers, engulfing, or what? Or pin bars. Where are they? Here they are. Boom. Right time to invest. So imagine you taking a buy with 0.01 on NAS 100. Only this movement alone, I swear, is going to make like this can pay your house rent. Like I don't know what this movement alone should definitely pay your house rent. Okay, we broke down again. Fine, no problem. Wait for our thing. What's our thing? Twinsers, spin bars, and golfing. Here we go. Boom. Up we go again. Okay, sometimes you can do this, see it as investment like this. Whenever you get a reversal candle that engulfs the previous daily candle, just like what happened here, then you can consider closing your position like, oh, you want to wait for the next 20 EMA rejection for another investment. This is an investment, don't forget. Okay, same thing, boom. We had right here, up again. What happened? You can run away when we have this engulfing right here. You can run away if you can't hold. It's fine. You can run away there. You give another engulfing at that top right there. You can run away. Pay attention to break. We came back. We need to reject 20 EMA. Did we get any rejection here? No. This is not a rejection. We already broke down. We need something that will pierce. We didn't get any of that again. Now start dropping down. Start respecting. It starts bouncing off the 20 EMA. Fine, I'm trying to rush now because we have less time. So now pay attention to we broke back in above 20 MA and retested. Our guy is there. Our guy is there. Time to invest. No entry, no investment. No entry, no investment until where we see our guy again. Our guy is here. Our guy is here. This is not an investment. It's Dean Pierce. Okay? Came right here engulfing. That's our guy. Invest. Boom up reversal. Time to run away. Soon as we see daily reversal that engulfs. Okay. No entry until we break above. Time to invest. Yeah, we did. Where's our guy? Right here. Oh, this is our guy again. Investment time to make money. Remember, we are running away when we see what reversal. Just like this, we close all of our investments. Wait for another 20 MA rejection. Where's our guy? Boom. Boom. I think this is enough. Go and back test it on your charts. Like, go and back test on your chart. This is our guy here. So right now, I'm waiting to invest again when we have what? Same thing. That is when I'm going to invest again. I hope this makes sense, guys. You're going to make good money from this. I can assure